people who live here are selling their house. They've asked me to come by and give them a hand with the landscape, prune the trees, work on the hedges, but most of all, fix this bare spot. We've got a big bare spot right here in front of the house that people notice every time they come by. What we'd like to do is seed it and do it right. We need good quality seed, we need a starter fertilizer, we'll need a rake and a few other hand tools, and most important, a VertiCutter, a powerful machine designed specifically for overseeding a lawn. When you go shopping for grass seed, you're going to be amazed at the amount of choice you've got. Ryegrasses and bluegrasses, bare spot repair grasses. My best advice to you, talk to your local nurseryman. Find out what's best in your area and follow his advice. If he asks for a little more money for a little better quality seed, pay for it. You get what you pay for. What you're looking for, of course, is a grass that will grow in your area and thrive and be as green as possible. And then we've got to put it on at the right rate. Again, talk to your local nurseryman. He can advise you on spreader settings to use and tell you how thickly to put it. And when you put it on, try to go back and forth from left to right, and then turn and go at right angles, forward and back. The reason for this is it eliminates striping the lawn. Now, once you've got a sufficient amount of seed on, it's time to put on a good starter fertilizer. You'll use the same spreader to spread your fertilizer. Make one pass, get it even. A starter fertilizer, like this one, is one that has a high middle number. The first number primarily stimulates green leafy shoot growth. The second number, roots, and the third number, flowers and fruits. Shoots, roots, flowers, and fruits. And on a new lawn, we're looking for a good root system. This is a VertiCutter. It's a machine that you probably won't buy. You'll go and rent one. What it is an incredibly powerful rake. If we were going to seed this lawn by hand, we'd use a rake and go back and forth to get the seed to be in the ground as opposed to on the ground. But a VertiCutter does that for us. It's got a series of fixed knife-like blades underneath it that rotate at a very high rate of speed. And when we go across this lawn, it'll push the seed into the ground as well as kicking up loose dirt and debris to cover the seed. When you rent one of these, be sure to talk to the fellow there about how to operate it safely. As you can see, we've got a number of grooves carved in the ground. Loose dirt is kicked up to cover the seed. Ideally, what we do next is go forward and back. So again, we avoid striping the lawn. And then once we've got the seed worked into the ground, it's time for the first watering. Now, this is my favorite part of a hot job, watering the lawn. Initially, we want frequent but light waterings. We only need to wet the soil this much. Then, after the grass seed is germinated, we want infrequent, heavier waterings to stimulate a deep root system. If we do this right, we'll have a new lawn here in 2 weeks. And these people will be moving into their new house.